everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to actually sign out of your YouTube account on your Android phone. So if you go to the top right and click on our profile. Now most of the time I just log into a different account, so we can go to the arrow right here by our name and click this. And we can go to the plus icon. So if we're trying to log in an account, we can just simply add another account. Now there's no way to completely sign out within the app, so you're kind of out of luck there. Because most of the time, your Google account and your YouTube account are signed in on your phone. So I'll show you how to remove it. So you can just sign in right here if you want, and then you can switch that other account. You can go to Manage Accounts right here and click this, and I'll bring you to this page where you can see I'm signed in with my Google account. Now on your Samsung phone, it's not such a big deal because you're logged in with your Samsung account. On your Google Pixel, like, you're literally logged into everything because it's a Google device. So we can just go to our Google account and we can remove it from our phone right here. And this will sign us out of our YouTube account and I believe like Google Gmail and stuff like that, however. So you can just remove it right there. Otherwise you can go to settings, and on your Samsung phone it's really easy. We have accounts and backups. It's located right here. If you can't find it, you can go to Manage Accounts. Remove your Google account, and that will completely sign you out of YouTube, and then you can sign back in with a different profile and stuff. So look at that as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.